Give me a little bit about like how that story came about, like how you identified that, or how did Flight Lease identify that, and then why that particular sub asset class, as you kind of described it.
It's again, it's just from our thematic view on the cargo space in general. There's a whole retirement wave of less efficient aircraft, 747-400s, MD-11s, expensive to fly, less fuel efficient, and it costs more for operators. If they can transition to, let's say, for example, the 777-200LR, which we're converting from passenger to cargo, it automatically on day one improves their operating margins by about 15%. They're getting an asset that can fly almost as far, but it's much more fuel efficient. And at the end of the day, they're just going to make more money on their operating routes. So our thesis with that particular transition in Fund 2 was we knew this retirement was coming. And we knew that operators would want to have a more efficient aircraft, and the logical replacement for that was the 777-200LR. In addition to that, we know that Boeing, who produces this particular cargo plane, stopping production on the current cargo variant in favor of the 777, which, by the way, has been delayed now for another couple years. So to fill that void, we went out with a partner of ours in Texas, and we bought up the conversion slots at a firm called Mammoth, based out of Texas, which is backed by Fortress, to convert for the first time ever a 777-200LR from passenger to cargo. So in that case, it was we took on more risk. We didn't have the contract in, contract out, but we knew that retirement was coming.
Yes.
So we felt comfortable that we were acquiring the asset at a severely discounted price. These aircraft, brand new, cost $200 million off the factory line. And if you wanted one, you had to put it the order in and wait. So if we're able to go out and acquire the asset for significantly less capital, put the conversion in, and still be well under that mark, and then make a 20-30% return on the sale, we felt really good that there would be demand for that asset. And it's kind of borne out. Of the 8 777s we have in Fund 2, we've already sold 6 of them. Yeah. We've received progress payments on all of them, and we're expecting another $100 million plus in proceeds from final SEC approval into early next year.